morning everyone. Today our subject pharmacopoeia and phytochemistry first. We discuss about our first topic description, morphology, anatomy of wood, bark and leaf. Start with our today's topic datura, which obtained from plant of datura, which produce chemical and toxic smell, which medicinal properties for anti-allergy. Then we start with our topic synonyms. Datura are biological source, dried limbs of datura metal, and it belongs to the family Solanaceae. And chemical constituent which present in datura alkaloid up to 5%. Then scalopopone. Then uses of datura plant is CNS represent gastric ulcer and anti-plasmodic.
Affects margin between grain, base and fat. Microscopy of datura, in which the upper epidermis and lower epidermis is a protective layer of an innermost skin, in which the covering trachoma and granular trachoma, which is present on the surface of the leaf and which is helpful for the photosynthesis of the plant. Parenchyma, it is a compact fat tissue. Then calcium oxalate crystal, it is an excreted part of the plant bodies. Spongy parenchyma, it is loosely compact tissue. Vascular bundle, which is having a xylem and phloem, in which xylem. Vascular bundle consists of the xylem and phloem. Xylem, in which are having a water and nutrients, and phloem, which is having a sugar and nutrients.
The second part of our topic is the fascia wood. Synonym of fascia wood is Jamaica fascia. The biological source of fascia wood is dried wood of plant Tegrasma excelsa, belonging to family Cinerovaceae. The main chemical constituent of Jamaica fascia is causing ecrasmin neoplasm. The main uses of that drug is anti-rheumatic, bitter tonic, and increase in applicative used to treat fever.
Morphology of fascia wood. It has a golden shape. It consists of false annular ring, physical property like odor, odorless, color, pale yellow. Microscopy of fascia wood. It consists of medullary layer, which is thick-walled living cells, calcium oxalate crystals, which consist of calcium and oxalate crystals, fibers, which are hair-like structure, vessels that consist of void space.
Good morning everyone. Today our last topic is cinchona bar. Cinchona bar is the outer covering of the cinchona tree. It is important because it is a medicine called quinine, which is used to treat malaria. Cinchona bar is the natural medicine which is used to reduce fever and treat malaria.
Cinchona bar, synonym cinchona bar, biological source of cinchona. Dried bark of Cinchona caddisii, which belongs to family Rubiaceae. Chemical constituent quinidine, cinchonidae, uses anti-malaria, which are used in treatment of malaria, antipyretic, reduce fever, then anti-inflammatory, reduce inflammation, and antioxidant category.
Morphology of cinchona, its height is 10 to 12 cm and width is 1 to 10 cm. It contains fibers and outer surface. It is shaped as rod shaped and its first property is odor is characteristic and slight and taste is bitter.
Microscopy of cinchona bar. It consists of cork. Cork is a layer of non-living air polygonal tissue which provide the protective covering towards innermost plant organs. Then phloem is the layer of living cells. Then phloem is the tissue layer of meristematic tissue which is responsible for the secondary growth of the plant. Then cambium increases the breadth of the stem and root. Then vessels is the empty spaces present in the xylem and phloem. Then xylem fibers, which provide the mechanical strength and structural support to the plant. Then xylem parenchyma stores the carbohydrate, fat and others. Then calcium oxalate crystals. It is the excreta of plant stored in the form of calcium oxalate crystals.